Hello, everybody. All right. Today we are going to we're going to talk real quick. Hello. So this is Multiverse Teach. I am Schubert Abreu. So it's been a while again. I need to create more videos for you guys. Je dois créer plus de vidéos pour nous. Ça fait un bon petit temps. OK. So, jodi, bienvenue dans Multiversity. Jodi, nous allons parler de autisme, mais dans n'importe épisode que nous y a, the next episode. But, ça n'a pas parlé d'autisme, c'est nous allons parler quelques stratégies et nous allons parler quelques conseils. So for autism, what we're going to be speaking on regarding autism, we're going to actually give you strategies, recommendations, tips on any kind of episode that we are on next, since it's been a while since we spoke about autism. Okay. So autism, tout moun konnen ki sa liye. We already know what autism is based on the previous episodes that we recorded. So, mbapal montre rien, mbapal share rien. However, men sa bezwen pou nou konnen. Anybody with sickness, including people with autism, n'importe moun ki gen maladi, sickness, inclus moun ki gen autisme, yo kon gen lead ou bien metal. Yo kon gen pil lead ou bien metal nan koyo. Alors, on va parler de moun ki malade, on va parler de autisme seulement. People with autism only usually have lead and metals, and they have plenty of it. Yo kon gen an pil la dan, an pil metal et lead. Okay? So, mta reme pou paran ou bien moun ki gen autisme, konen sa, ou bien yon moun ki konen yon moun ki gen autisme, ou gwa pa yon paran ki gen pitit ou gen autisme, ou gwa kon moun ou konen gen, ou kapab bayo rekomendasyon strateji sa mbrel bay jodi. You might know someone who actually have autism, or you're a parent of a child of someone with autism. Today, we're just going to give the recommendations and tips, and you can share with someone, even if you don't have a child with that, but if you know someone who have children who are on the spectrum, you can share this with them. So normally you have lead and metals. Okay, so ki sa ke on moun ka fe pou a fe cause lead et metal la? Ki sa on moun ka fe? What can you do about the lead and metal? Now, I am not a doctor, okay, as in medicine. I'm not a medical doctor, okay? I do not diagnose. However, we can always see when there's risks, low risk, high risk, mid risk, high risk. Def men nou ka wè yon moun ki kon montre risk, sil genye yon risk ki ba, medium, ou bien yon risk ki haut, okay? So, Miss Hakim Darime pou nou konen. This is what I would like for you to know. Lè ke ti moun nan li fet avèk problem sa, moun nan, ou kapab bali bwe yon seri de bagay pou detox, okay? Detox. Gon bagay wele detox. There's something they call detox, okay? Gen moun ki ekri liv sou li, gen moun ki pale de li, gen moun ki fe recherche, e li ki kon nan Google. This is something that, yeah, I'm not a doctor of, but it's on Google. You can do your research. You can talk to some people. You can go and read herbal medicine, natural remedy books, and they do talk about these things if you believe in that. You can parler de bagay sa yo, ka li liv, sou a fe medicine naturel, remède sa yo, okay? Ou ka Google li, ou ka jounon seri de bagay, ou ka fe recherche. So, ou ka detox. Detox nan des fois c'est jus ou bien une série de médicaments mon en prend pour diminuer niveau métal qui dans système timoun nan. Okay? So, you can actually usually it's like drinks, juices, medicine, vitamins that someone can take to actually reduce the amount of metals in their body. Okay? Yo kon wè ke moun ki gen problem autism, moun ki gen problem autis, yo kon wè, sometimes they do see people with autism that they have, their brain is a little bit like has like an inflammatory, like it's a bit more inflated. Yo kon wè gen docteur ki di, yo kon wè différence moun ki gen problem autis lan, brain yo kon antijan kom si pi gros pou nan sens, pi antijan gen anti-inflammation. Ok? Yo pa dire tout ti moun ki kon sa, mais gen docteur qui wè ça nan un peu ti moun ki gen autisme. Okay? There's doctors who see this, and actually some children with autism that their brain is a little bit like more inflamed, like inflammation. Okay? So, thus, what do we do with this? Strategies that, comme si par exemple, sometimes usually for olfactory taste, okay? Des fois pour goût, yo kon pa vle, ou bien pour scent, ou bien goût, yo kon pa vle boire un série de bagay. So, ou kon wap oblige des fois pour y mettre un série de bagay nan manger yo, ou bien ou ba yo bon un série de bagay piti, okay? Okay. So, for example, sometimes children with autism, they usually have that sensory issue when it comes to drinking, tasting, smelling, these kind of stuff. They're like, oh, I don't like it. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to try new things. What you can do is put whatever it is in their foods or in their drinks real quick or something. Okay. It can be like 2-3 spoons in a nice good drink they like. Okay. Gen ti bagay ke moun nan kapab achete, takou ki le moringa. Moringa, c'est une bagay que on capable faire pour detox. Nous gagnons qui c'est moringa, li pa olive, yo kon dit ça en créole et pas salier. C'est un bagay qui tout vert et ou ka acheter, ou ka order li na Amazon. You can find it. So it's like moringa. We gagnons lye, okay? We have garlic. Garlic is something that you can blend it. You can blend it, you cut it, and you blend. We also have, and then you can put it in like a puree they're eating. Puree. Okay? No gagne turmeric. No gagne turmeric. Okay? No gagne honey. Honey qui sont Haïti en pi bon. Ou bien qui sorti dans pays Caribbean yo pi bon. Sometimes honey coming from Caribbean are better. From Haiti, they're better. However, it's not that I'm diminishing the honey here. Mais ici, yo kon mette même abeille yo kon commencer bay vaccin ou bon c'est de bagay. Ou kon besoin yon bagay qui marqué sous honey, yon kon marqué yon bagay tan kou vaccineless or something like that, ou bien needleless, something like that. Na honey qui kon gen mosa yo, ko kawe, ça veut dire que li son honey qui pure. So honey qui organic. It's an organic honey. Honey son gros bagay liye. You can put it in your drink, okay? Ou blender plusieurs sortes de fruits. So semaine ça, this week, you can actually blend a couple different fruits. And l'autre mois, ou bien après 2 semaines, ou ka blender on l'autre série de l'autre fruits. Okay? Tout bagay sa yo ou mélanger yo ensemble, including ginger, même gingembre. Ou ka mette tout nan jus nan bagay timoun nan. Nou genye tout on série de médicaments, on série de bagay tout fish oil, okay? Fish oil là comme vitamine, fait sûr que timoun nan prend pile vitamine, fait sûr que gan pile ti végétable que ou blender. Make sure that the child is actually, that you're blending multiple different vegetables, and put in that fruit as well. Avec tout bagay sa yon dou la. Okay? Par exemple, fish oil, ou ka mette zinc, ou ka mette yon seri de ti bagay ou krasé li ou blendel. A lot of these things are good, okay, pour detox. Okay, ou gwa wè son cranberry ou fè, ou blende li ensemble avec banana, ou blende li ensemble avec ginger, ou blende tout bagay sa yo ensemble ou bay ti moun nan bo, ou mette zinc, ou mette fish oil, ou mette moringa, tout bagay sa. You will blend like it can be cranberry, banana, and you put moringa, you can even blend like broccoli. So vlo ka men blende broccoli, ou mette la dan. Please, pas mettre lait. Do not put milk. Et pas tout bagay ou fait pour mettre lait. Ou vle pou ti moun nan bo bagay la pure. C'est ça que les bons gens detox nan. You want the child to drink these things pure, organic. That's what it really means, detox. That's what this really signify. That you do not mix anything. Do not put milk, all of that in the drink. Okay? Vous doit mettre comme si citron, lime is very important, lemon, okay? Ou ka mette tout bay sa yo nan jus. L'autre semaine, ou gidwa wè, c'est grapes ou fè l'autre ti bagay encore, ou mette tout l'autre bagay sa yo mte di and everything. Ou ka mette gen moun ki kon mette parsley, gen moun ki kon mette pa mette en pile. If you're pregnant, you cannot drink a lot of parsley, okay? So once pa ka bo en pile, te persi. But to konti moun kon so ka bouil ou mette nan jus and everything, okay? Sometimes you can also put something like, par exemple, on dit que semaine ça, for example, this week you just did all of these. The following week, vous mette celery, ou ka mette céleri. Après n'importe nan deuxième mois or something, vous mette céleri, okay? Ou blende tout bay sa, ou céleri bois. The celery that looks like it's just like it's long, like the bone celery, okay, that one. So blend li ou mette and everything. Mais pas jamblier que ingrédients faut que li toujours nan jus detox. There's some ingredients you cannot miss. It needs to be part of your detox. For example, ginger, moringa, the ginger, gingembre blanc, moringa, lilac, okay, the garlic. These things really need to be, every time you detox needs to be, they need to be part of the juice, okay? So, bagay sa yo, let ti moun nan bweli, fel pou 6 mois, ou ka fel pou 3 mois, 6 mois, 9 mois, 1 an. You can do this when for the child to drink for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year. Let ti moun nan pre bagay sa al bwel, constamment, consistently, then what happens, ou komanse wè, des fois, ge parents qui di yo fè ça, et ça met ça yo wè. There's some parents, they say they do that, their child was completely showing autistic traits. Ti moun te montre tout très autiste lan. Et puis parents di yo fè tout bagay sa yo pou bon temps, et puis ti moun nan komanse pale, ge de bagay ti moun nan komanse ge kontak zyo, ge de bagay ti moun nan vin fè en plus que ou pa jem te kon wè. Et des fois avec aide thérapie, et des fois sans aide thérapie. Sometimes with the help of therapy and sometimes without. It's very important. Bam di nou lot bagay anko. Gen moun ki kwe ke pou albe ti moun nan me. Okay, that's a good one. And some actually parents believe que ti moun nan ge dwa recevoir kek lot bagay kom si hyperbaric therapy or something. Ça son l'autre bagay from ta fait sou plus connaît qui entre oxygène nan don qui ba oxygène à 100%. Ça non ba vle by misinformation. Information ba vle by mauvaise information vraiment besoin bay là c'est parents et moun qui fait bagay ça yo et yo wè get ti résultat. A lot of parents, they start doing these things and they see results. Yon l'autre bagay encore que moi ka recommander, m'pa di c'est ça lié. I can recommend this, but I'm not saying this is what it is. But just in case it is part of it, you need to be careful. Okay? Like docteur bay ti moun nou rendezvous. When the doctor is giving your child rendezvous, meetings, doctor appointments, and they are giving them 3 shots of vaccines each visit, you need to be careful. Chaque le ti moun nan gen rendez-vous appointment docteur yo même a bay ti moun nan 3 vaccins à chaque visite, ou doit prendre précaution. OK? Moi pas dit c'est ça qui cause. OK? Tendez ça me dit, please, I'm not saying this is the cause. I'm saying at least what you can do is to be careful and to make sure across all your child's environment that it is safe, that you're decreasing as much as possible as you can. Pour environnement petit ou diminuer en pile bagay jon capable. OK? Parce qu'on pas connaît, mais après précaution. You're going to be cautious. OK? Take that precaution. Apply it to your child. So, thus, my problem is if your child, I have had this hypothesis, de gen bagay sa m te pose question à parent. Mwen di kon sa. Hypothetically, mwen di kon sa. Mwen mande yo, m di yo, lem te piti, combien vaccin m te kon pran? Lem te gen rendez-vous, docteur. Même papa me dit, à chaque rendez-vous docteur, ou te kon recevoir yon vaccin. Des vaccins même qui get 3 sortes de différents bagay la donne. Par exemple, there's some vaccinations, they already have 3 different types in it. Like it's a mixture in one vaccine. Okay? And usually, ça I say mumps, measles, rubella. Yo bay ti moun nan vaccin, mumps, measles, rubella, yo toujours nan yon vaccin. Ça déjà, si docteur a bay rendez-vous, pour petit ou vin prend ça yo, déjà, c'est on seul l'ordre d'accord. Ou dit docteur, I don't care if ma vini dans l'autre appointment, I don't care about it. I'd rather come multiple times. Ou ap d'accord pour vaccin ça seulement. S'il dit il gen 2-3 l'autre, ou ap dit no, I actually want to give my child just this one. Because this one already has a mixture of 3. Mumps, measles, rubella. Okay? MMR. Le conseil qu'on le pour MMR vaccin. Okay? So, when you see this doctor, you can say, hey, I'm not in a rush, just give my child this one. Now, si go vaccin, c'est un seul bagay, pas de mixture de plusieurs non seul vaccin, hein? Un seul dose là, même toujours recommandé 1 dose. Un seul dose. N'importe l'autre vaccin que y a bay, hepatitis, whatever it is, vaccin à bay, HPV, whatever it is, yon seul dose, 1 dose. Ou ap vini non l'autre visite encore après petit moins non l'autre visite encore à bali resio. Ou à bali l'autre grain nan, on grain encore. I'll wait and give me another visit. I'll come, give me another appointment. I'll come and I'll make sure my child receives only 1 more. Okay? Parce que nous pas connaît, vaccin qui doit pas oublier que là yo bay ti moun 3-4 non seul appointment, même 2 heures 3. When the child is receiving 3-4 non seul appointment, you don't know what it's doing to the brain. Okay? So, les parents disent c'est un seul vaccin. When my parents told me, no, when you were a child, you were receiving only 1 vaccine at a time. I was like, then what's happening right now, nowadays that the parents are going to those doctor appointments with their child and their child is receiving more than 2 shots? Petit toi posé quoi puisque 2 doses. Il pas bon, il pas fait sens. Puisque on dose, il pas bon. Sinon, époque pas nan consulter ou même qui parlant en kebel comme ça. On toujours continuer kebel comme ça. OK? M'gè on l'autre parler m'gè fait. This one, la sickle cell. La soit fait anémie. OK? M'gè m'parler sur ça. À la prochaine. Hope this video actually helped everybody. Et que nous t'apprendre et que nous appliquer. That you apply those strategies. Et que ou tande ça me dit, okay, that you heard what I said and you apply those strategies. Parce que c'est pas formal, c'est pas for du temps, pas dire qui mal. I didn't say anything wrong. Just precautious. And hey, pour qui ça pour pas utiliser jus bagay ça pour detox timoun? Why not use those things to detox your child? Bon, même la timoun pas de autisme, même la pas ou pas de autisme, même moi gros monde moi fait. I'm an adult and I detox my body. I drink these things. Why? Because environment is crappy. Environment pas bon. Nous, à respirer n'importe bien bagay, ou doit faire un petit nettoyage, pas vrai? We need, we're actually breathing air that we don't know that can be toxic. Those toxins, we need to like remove them. Okay? So, bagay sa yo, tout samedi yo, se bagay healthy yo anyway. All these things are actually healthy stuff already anyway, right? So why not do it? You don't have to have a child to have an issue to actually give your child these things. To actually do it is no, you don't have to wait for you to be sick to do these things. Pas obligé de tendre pour malade pour faire ça, ni pour bon petit monde qui a un problème pour faire ça, OK? Just boili, bay petit tout bon yo, fait yo, yo bon pour santé, yo bon pour, li bon pour sang, OK? It's good for you anyway. I don't see why not. Okay? All right, so take care. Feli pou, fel pou tetou. Li ka bon fon ti jan jam. Sometimes you got a weakness and you feel better. Okay, wajam kone. You never know. Give it a try. All right, take care. Bye. Toodaloo.